We have reports of a meteor on set to a collision course with Earth. Discovered just weeks ago, VX-17 is estimated to be over 500 meters in diameter, large enough to cause catastrophic damage if it collides with our planet. Current trajectory models indicate a 62% chance of impact, with possible landfall locations ranging from the Pacific Ocean to major population centers in Asia, Europe, and North America. Governments worldwide are reportedly considering emergency measures, including evacuation plans and possible asteroid deflection missions. The United Nations has scheduled an emergency summit to discuss a global response, while SpaceX and other private aerospace companies are reportedly in talks about launching last-minute intervention missions. If impact occurs, experts warn that the effects could be devastating, with the potential for tsunamis, massive firestorms, and significant climate disruptions. More updates are expected as astronomers gather additional data in the coming days. We will resume playing music, but we'll be interrupting programming if any more details regarding the asteroid is released.
My love must be a kind of blind love. I can't see anyone but you.
A civil authority has issued an evacuation immediate for Carson City, effective until June 29, 8:56 p.m. Message from Comcast. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Carson City Emergency Management Division, in conjunction with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A meteorite fragment that has broken off the meteor known as X-17 has a 92% collision chance with Carson City, which poses a serious threat to all residents in Carson City. This includes anyone west of Interstate 580 highway, and anyone in a 25-mile radius of the Nevada State Museum. For your safety, you should evacuate now. Gather all essential supplies, including food, water, medical supplies, important documents, and your identification card. Tie a white flag to your mailbox to let authorities know you have evacuated. For more information, please visit www.nevada.gov or tune into your local media outlets.
Pepper's idea.
Whatever you need, from coverage to service.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Carson City, Nevada, beginning at 8:46 p.m. and ending at 2:46 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP, Carson City Emergency Management Division. The fragment of the X-17 has hit, and significant damage has been reported in the area. Evacuate now until it is safe to return.
Sandwich proprietor Arby's has officially teamed up with E-League. Anyone hear that? No, it was like...
Primary entry point system has issued an emergency action notification for the United States. Effective until 6/29/1700 the President is unable to speak at this time, so text-to-speech will be used to deliver this message. Deflection and any other form of interception has failed. The X-17 is expected to hit Earth within the next hour and will create uninhabitable living conditions for everyone on Earth. At this time, you are requested to gather your loved ones and spare their final moments with them. If you have religion, pray for forgiveness in heaven or wherever you will go in the afterlife. We have tried to prevent worse from happening, however we have failed, and now the world is coming to an end. Even in our final moments, we will make sure the American dream is never forgotten. Thank you for being a part of America, and God bless the United States of America.